How much don't lost for your money since? How much? Okay. How much you say don't collect you before? How much you say don't collect you before? Okay, you go reach 2 million. It passed to 5 million.
I don't know, but I know.
Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Maybe for me we watch this video together. Una know say I do video. When I come there, I dey open this boy with this woman nyash small. Many people go soon know the kind of person wanna be, say una be scammer, big one. Big one. He can't do video because of say he want brainwash many people because of this Ebuka where be say he know where. Because say that they carry and go hospital. Before that one, my people, he do video with this mother where they be say na Mama Ebuka. Mama Ebuka told say she get 2 million for account. More than 2 million naira for your account. I played that video for now. I go still see her. I go still see whether I go see that video. I go still play am for now for year. Make una listen. This woman use her mouth to talk and say she gets more than 2 million naira for account because the boy ask and say the money where dey your account reach 5 million. He say no. Now the boy can't say how much. He can't say it passed 2 million. So madam, you get the money where be say pass 2 million. You know if you go treat your pikin, you dey look for people where they for abroad. May they come they like they feel bad to say oh may we help this family. Madam, many people they will be say they really need help. You with this boy una be scammer, both of una they scam people. So my people, I can't come across this video where be say they carry the Ebuka go hospital. According to them, Ebuka no way. The family of this the children where this woman born, the other children, they don't they tell this boy say make he leave his brother alone for them. Say they know how they want to treat his brother. This boy, he say no they benefit anything for this everything where they do. He no want leave this Ebuka for the family. He with his mama they carry Ebuka up and down to call people attention, to send money to your account. Say they want help Ebuka. So this video now, they say they carry Ebuka go hospital. Say they need I think 150,000 before they go leave her. Make una hear wetin Mama Ebuka wey be say the money wey dey her own account is more than 2.5 million naira. Mona listen to wetin she talk.
Wetin talk? Admission. How much the person want to admit? 150,000. You want to get that money? So what will you do now?
The woman says she not know. Madam, you get more than 2 million for your account. You not get 150,000 for your pikin. Make una listen to wetin this boy want explain. Wanna just listen.
Because some people ask, you know, people ask because of that decisions, people ask. So, more, put on for you first. No, so that the woman has to touch one of people mind for them to admit to get. So now this will go back and this one. Open down. You can another receipt. You don't go for someone that.
Which person God go can't touch his mind? Abi you think say people they not get their own problem? Why you not tell this woman say madam money where dey your account or yeah may you use am take treat your pikin? The woman want carry the money go heaven. He want carry the money go heaven. May you stop this thing you say you no want stop am. I dare you go they open your nyash. Many people don't they notice am. God look your comment section. If you really say you want help Ebuka, go do leg bouquet. If you do leg bouquet for 1 week, you go feel use and take help Ebuka so that they will really know say oh Ebuka really there for your mind. You want really help am as you they claim say you want help. Which can help una dey help? Which can help? Who say una message? Una don't help una whole family finish. Abi una don't help una self finish. Eh? You want help Ebuka, you not go work, make you take help am.
You don't see one other test for you. So now if you see what I have for this, and the night. And the night.
Oh, I don't know. The mama no fit spend money for that.
Just keep her. No open her. So, Ebuka, you see, as I stand here this evening, I'm moving my phone. Over money, don't spend more than how much now. So, for you, not easy. So, the thing I want to do, the pay for admit 150,000. So, you see, it's not easy. Your children, they set me. They set me. Work back. I'm not feeling tired. I'm not feeling like everything you need right now. I don't like her. You know yourself to be here. But my son to concern. So,
I think he's going to them to the league. If anyone has to I know as a baby, but small collaboration they give small pikin. I ain't go take things to know. And I so want to take my life. I know to talk to fire. I so want to take my life. And I don't be not gonna know best. No, compromise.
voila. I believe some will say they answer before. The God will change their mind to help you. Our goal is for you to do okay. But
why you not if really you be person wey big say you get good heart, as far that woman talk say she get money, you for not dey use this boy till they carry up and down. You go tell am say, madam, oh yeah, may we go spend money for this boy. This woman, your money there for account. The sister, they say they are okay, they are capable to help your brother. You don't want to leave your brother for them. Why? And you still say you know they gain anything or now you're good, then they beat you for. We not see the good way they do. Person say make you leave their brother for them. You not great leave for them. You they drag on you with the mama Ebuka, they carry up and down. You say make people come they assist you for social media. You go put your account for there. Say make they come put Ebuka one buy food Ebuka one buy marries you. My brother, go work now. Work not dey Naija. Go do legboke, go do tuke, go do anything. May you take help the Ebuka. Since mama he time money for bank. He lock am for there. Your money lock am for there. He dey find other people where be say the money will not work for them. May they bring come. May they take save it picking. May you go help am.
your sister and your brother come to insult people who say they help you, and it's not good for the part.
Because his brothers, his sister, they don't like what you they do. What if they use the brother say they do for social media? Because of say Ebuka no get that, he don't fit talk. Person wey be say he head not even dead there. Now he make you. They carry and they do an up and down. They do and they carry a video. They post her all the time. They drag her up and down. Carry and go this side. Carry and go the other side. The brother not like him. But because of say their mama now he join you. Now make they can't leave her for you. Say make you carry and go. Anything where you see make you bear her. That's what they talk. Because they not like what they use their brother say they do. They use until they collect her more 10,000, 20,000. When the mama get the money. Now I make am not talk say they insult people where supposed to help. Why you no help? Now help you this so. Talk truth. They go do unto you. They go do unto one of your member. When they you go person you just carry and go come they put her for media. Person will be say no they okay. Instead of mama to bring money come and when they go treat her, they'll say no. They want carry her because of say they defend sympathy. make people wait there for media, make them come, they say, oh, bring your account, oh, I would like to donate. Nothing say na before, not be before. Nowadays, everywhere don't get as it be. Abi una not yet say what they for abroad. What they? Abi something not the dear rich where on a day. Everything don't change.
Your brother don't come see you before for you. Your brother don't come before come see you. Never come. Don't worry, come. Believe they go okay. So when we go, tomorrow we will come. Wait one more for you again. Okay, better than you. Come on, Ebuka. One more for you better than you. Better than you. If I better than you, maybe something we can do. If I last one, give the money. In that last one, we will do. No worry, I don't give money. If my dad last one will go from a 2 or 2 naira and bread, maybe first in short one before we see tomorrow. So God is your strength. Okay. We love
you. Just pray, may you don't get bad mother. Where be say go get money, go sit down for them. You not go release the money, come out, make they treat you. If really this woman want treat a pikin, you know what it's supposed to do, because that's our country now money. If money not there, you go suffer well. But if you get the money, they go treat you. You understand? Don't depend on people. Why? I don't understand. Why? Because if they carry and go there now, they can't say, see what they want to do now. Can't they find people where they for media, make they can't help. Where be say, mama get that money, so treat the pikin well. For what they say they pass through. The woman no one release the money. Or in the name of say, this one they carry and they do the content. Don't worry, people where they media go help us. Don't worry, people where they media go help us. You think say they not get their family? And this boy be, so why mama not carry, where mama not go treat her well?
I don't know what you're talking
about. This evening, we will discharge Ebuka go house because money we UPT same we bring, they admit him 150,000. The money never complete.
Are you not feel complete?
The money never complete.
And you not feel complete the money? No. How not take they help people? If you want help people, you where be say you take and say yes, you take upon you say you want help. You go bring your own, take come out before other people come they join. Not be say you not bring come out. You just carry everything. Say people make una come. Oh, they send 100,000. They send 200. Oh, make una come donate. Una too see people finish anyway because of media. Una too see people finish. You know how many people where be say their family, inside their family, they're not there okay because they're not they carry and come. You not feel complete, huh?
So I don't know what to do.
You don't know what to do.
And I've been really coming since morning. I've been really coming since morning. A lot of people have been saying that Ebuka, me and Ebuka, we are scamming people. We are scamming people. I pray.
It's just the truth of the matter, my brother. Not be you do the video where you post when Mama Ebuka say she get more than 2 million for account. I don't understand. If I want to help you, or maybe you know where your mama can't tell me say she get more than 2 million for account and you know where maybe waiting the money where they want to treat you, you know, even up to 300,000. I go leave her for you. Now you're picking. Now you know the day where you born now whether it pay you or not pay you. Because now you can't tell Mama Ebuka, say Mama Ebuka, not worry. For media, then go help, not touch that one. Because let's say you not tell her maybe this woman for carry money, you go treat the picking. Other people where be say they know where, they know they go they treat themselves. Now don't talk social media as a where una for the fine what you call. I will look on razen. If we just see how rule make una bring down. It don't stop. Una no say don't stop. People don't wise well. Hey, you going win and no, not go find something they do. Stay for them. They say when they find money to discharge Ebuka when the mama sit down for big money for them. most people they not get that kind of money for accounts. If brothers and the sister they tell you say they go fit treat their brother, you say no, you no want come out for them. Last time you do video, you come dey cry say you don't come out your hand and leg, whereas you know what you they do. Crocodile cry. We know now. You don't come out your hand and your leg, you are still there. You know they benefit anything. Let make it brothers and the sister. Let make them they conk you, then they beat you, then they insult you. God forbid bad thing. Me, I not go do good for person. The family will come, they beat me. Our sister, no, I must do one. What you can concern me? Then we listen to one.
What did it happen to Ebuka may not happen to your family. May not happen to you. Then you will know what in life be.
When I don't now.
This sickness don't chop your body. It rims. Doctors say rims already go.
And if mama not do anything.
I don't know why some of you are discouraging others. Some of you are discouraging others.
We are not discouraging others. We are opening their eyes to know that you people are scammer. We are opening their eyes. Don't throw your money away. Because nowadays, money, they're not the sleep, they final. You, like say you get up in the morning, you go, they find money. You do 8 hours, 6 hours, 5 hours. You go know what it be. To go throw away money for person where be say you get money, say you don't want to spend your money. You want another person money. You know the work. How much you they put? They say you may say you they follow Ebuka up and down. The brothers and sisters, they say they go fit take care of their brothers. If mama, you with and don't do like this, mama Ebuka, not worry. They go bring money come. Not go find money more and take the surgeon. They go see them for them.
Not to assist Ebuka. It's very bad. God bear me witness. I'm not getting anything from this thing that I'm doing. I'm just.
Oh boy, what did you just say? Are you not doing content? Are you not using Ebuka to create content every blessed day? Not be social media, me and day. You are not getting anything from there. Who you want content? And now your account now you put for there. My brother, I beg, go sit down, maybe talk another thing, maybe they hear. Do another thing now. May we see. As the brothers and the sister don't beat you, curse you. May you say, from today, Mama Ebuka. I tell you, I say, tell Mama Ebuka, may go open in your Facebook account. May they do one. May you start, go the work, go they do like bouquet. Go find another thing, may you go they do. Or may you go carry a camera, go they show us how Benin City can be. And waiting they happen, waiting they, go they do that one. Because you see one person you hold now. You don't they carry up and down, make una come donate. What thing happen to a Dioma where you carry come, where you be say pikin there abroad, where you with a Dioma and don't plan now. The Dioma can say if pikin run for all the pikin they don't run. Sympathy, una defense sympathy they go. I beg you enter, see me go find something they do.
Just using my church mind because of Mama Ebuka.
Which one church mind?
I'm just
which one? I beg me not let person talk to you. Which one?
Using my church mind. Ebuka will be this
church mind. People wait say that they go church. He wants to say, not be all some of them, like people like this one. If you really did use your church mind, go walk. According to you, they use your church mind. Go walk. That money where you walk, you will carry on. Use and take treat Ebuka. Use and take do everything. Work and do it for Ebuka. So that people will say, yes, this one are church mind. Not be other people go and walk and give me to go and give Ebuka, to go and discharge Ebuka. You carry your leg, go and walk. So that we go know, say, this boy just walk. All the money where he walk, he can't carry on. Take treat Ebuka. Not say now talk pass.
But the one will pay me now for UBTH. Ebuka don't they almost 3 days now, I'll be going to 4 days now. Why is it they want to discharge him? Now see we bring money, we don't want to discharge Ebuka. Now first thing we bring money, we don't want to admit him, they take care of him. We don't see the money bring. Now when I say make we bring money, we don't want to discharge. That's what they do for Nigeria.
Okay, you know, not be in Nigeria, you dey. The more they stay, the more the money go they go. The more the pikin they stay. You say that money where Mama Ebuka no one bring come out. No worry, go bring on. The more they stay, the more the money they high. Not be the Nigeria, you dey. Where you fed there?
Yeah. Petite. Now so family wey no get money they admit their pikin dem wan comot na see dey demand money how like it's just the same how we no get money wey we want to admit Ebuka for UBTH. Okay, we say okay, we'll carry am go house because this is sickness only we no be wetin we supposed to carry go house, but because of the money we can't be able to pay that 150. Okay, more than reason for us now, we'll carry am go back.
They're not giving them.
When I tell say we have to clear everything, like all the medicines, even.
I bet more than no vessel. This one you need just reach Benin. I've been where I fed there before. I don't understand. Not be so that they do one. You know, see, say some people when they go born, you don't born finish. They want to discharge you. You go pay the bill. Eh, nah, you go pay. Not be bed you sleep for them. Not be light you use. You go pay. My people, I don't want to make this video too long. I bet my brother go work. Or may you go make sure say you tomorrow start that work. May you know say you get church mind according to you. Or God will get church mind. You will tell Mama Ebuka na be scammer. Scammer. Now na be. Because the woman get money, you know what bring gun. We know the one I tell they do for that Nigeria. When I call they do sympathy, Mona don't see me now. Mona help me now. Mona help me. And our people now, they don't want to use eye to see person where they cry. Eh? You not get their money, oh. Money not there abroad again. You know there. War there everywhere. Even to buy fuel now, you cannot buy. Everything they don't increase now. If you carry 200 euro, go market. If you reach us, you can't look your receipt whether they cheat you. Oga, enter so no may I not come give you dirty slap. I dey here. I go they open that your nyash they go till you leave that woman alone. As far as that woman thought say she get more than 2 million for account. Tell her may go to take care of your pikin. May you go they find another thing they do. Nonsense. Family say may you leave their pikin. You say not they leave. He say if your family don't call and say make he remove hand. And from today he don't remove hand. He don't go again. You don't go again because you know they gain anything. Your account is there. I beg you. Make you come up for road, make people pass. Please send me to love and like and share this video. Make una not donate for them, una not throw one money. If you know say you not get what you want, use your money to do. I beg sister, brother, they keep on for one place. See, they are all too much. Make they go work. They not cut this boy leg, they not cut his hand. Go and work and use it to they help people. Nonsense. You go they find people, they go for street, make una call social media people then you go they post stuff for them. Go work. Nyama nyama.